Today we are going to make a bouncy ball. First, you're going to need two different mixing bowls. The first labeled borax solution and the second ball mixture. Then you're going to need your materials. You're going to need some warm water, some borax, a stirring spoon, a tablespoon and a half a teaspoon. You're going to need cornstarch, food coloring of your choice, and glue. It could be white or clear. The first thing you need to make is the borax solution. So you're going to take a half teaspoon of borax and 2 tablespoons of the warm water. You're going to want to stir this until it's completely dissolved. Once the borax is completely dissolved, you can add 5 drops of food coloring of your choice. And then stir. Then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of glue and put it in your ball mixture cup. And then you're going to add half teaspoon of your borax solution to your ball mixture. And also 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then stir. You're going to stir until it gets too hard to stir, and then you can start taking it into your hands and forming it into a ball. And once you have it in your hands, you're just going to roll it into a ball. And you should get something like this. Then you can let it harden for 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you should have a bouncy ball.